Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And today I'm here to show you a little bit, real quick, of the preview items that I'm going to be having in the auction this Saturday, the 4th, at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that's 11:30, 12:30, 1:30 across the country. International, you're on your own, guys. Figure it out. Okay. So what do we have? Well, we're going to have some paper packs. I have some packs that are 50 sheets, and I have some packs that are just a few sheets. Most of my paper packs are $1, $2. They're 6x6 pieces, and they're coordinated just like these are. So you would get, some coordinated pieces. Excuse me. And some of them come with stickers. Then I'm going to have some of the cards and things that I scaventured over the last couple of months, like these here. And these are the tall, weird cards. Yeah, that's what we're selling, the tall, weird cards. Anyway, so I do have some of these. I have the pink ones with the windows in them and stuff. So I will be selling some of these card packs that I got. I will have some of these Simply Stated Alphabet rub-on packs. They come in black and white ones. They have punctuation in them. They're fantastic. All different kinds of scripts. As a matter of fact, this one here I have quite a few of. I will have the ceramic fussy cutting pens. I ordered them and got them in just in time, so we're going to be adding those. Some of you may have seen this in the past. Some of you may not. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look. I'm just going to cut this rubber band. It makes it so much easier. All right, there we go. So what this is this is Italian wrapping paper. It's really heavyweight, and it comes in several colors. We will have the blue. We will have the red. And I will have a few pieces of the mixed color as well as the gold. The mixed color just sells so quickly I can't keep it in stock. I'm going to have some pieces of burlap that are cut down basically into fat quarters. Look at this burlap. Isn't this gorgeous? This is so cute. But it's a nice big huge piece of burlap. So they're a little larger than a fat quarter, but roughly that's where they're at. I'm also going to be having some prints. This is an example of one of the prints that I'm going to be having in the auction on Saturday. A lot of them are ocean themed or animal themed, so we're going to have those in there. And then I am going to also be including a collection of these beautiful lace masks that I found. We're going to have a bunch of these in there as well. So I think that's pretty much it. I mean, the most expensive item in the auction will be $10, with the vast majority of the items being $3 or less for the sale, excuse me. Now, I am going to do something a little different. On Sunday, I will be having an auction. There will be a limited number of items in the auction. There will be reserves on items. And I can give you a sneak preview of what will be in the actual auction. I have one cabinet card. It's going to be in the auction. I have several of these beautiful prints. These are going to be in the auction. I'm going to have some vintage music scores in the auction. And I will be having some vintage paper packs in the auction. Okay? So not these, but I will have some. So I will have some of these items in the auction. There will be some reserves, so please bear with me. I will let you know that bidding will start at the reserve. I will tell you the reserve. We will start the bidding at the reserve. There's no sense in me putting up an item and saying, okay, started at $1, and then when nobody buys it for the price that I want, go, oh, well, I had a $12 reserve, and you guys only made it to 10. Do you want to buy it for 12? Not good with that. So if I have a reserve on an item, I will tell you the reserve, and I will start the bidding at the reserve. Okay? All right, that's it, guys. That's all I've got for you today. Appreciate you stopping by. Do me a favor if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with your friends. Because I'm selling stuff cheap, you know, because that's the way I am. Also, if you haven't done so, check out those Roaring into the 20 Hop videos. Like those folks. Subscribe to those folks. Show them your love and support, just like every other small channel in the crafting field here on YouTube. Seek them out, find them, give them some love. Until I see you again, bye-bye, guys.